Good afternoon, Stanley. Audio and video both are okay, Stanley? Yeah, very good. Thank you, Ganesh. Okay, Surya, thank you. All right. So look at that. In our previous class, we have discussed about the second derivatives, how to find out the second derivatives. Particularly, we have discussed the last problem, e power a cos inverse of x. I hope you can easily understand that e power a cos inverse of x problem, everyone. Okay, so today we will discuss about some other problem in second derivative. What is second derivative? Or second derivative is the differentiating again the derivative. So first derivative again we have to differentiate, that is called as our second derivative. Okay, so again we have to derivate, so that is called as a third derivative, but third derivative is not in our syllabus, only second derivatives. Okay, we are going to discuss about only second derivatives only. Okay. Okay, so look at this problem. If y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx, okay, so then show that d square y by dx square minus of m plus n dy by dx plus mn into y equal to 0. So here look at that, y is given, y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. Then show that d square by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus mn y equal to 0. We have to prove this. So first of all, we have to find out first derivative, dy by dx. And we have to find out the second derivative, d square y by dx square. What is y is given? My given y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. Okay, what is my derivative of e power ax? My e power ax derivative is e power ax and differentiation of this ax. The derivative of this ax is x differentiation is 1 into the constant a. So therefore 1 into a alone. So my differentiation of e power ax is a e power ax. Okay, here e power mx. So therefore my differentiation of the first term is, my y differentiation is dy by dx. My e power mx differentiation is e power mx, okay, into my mx differentiation is differentiation of this one. I'm going to apply that chain rule. Okay, so function of function. So therefore this is mx differentiation is m alone plus b into e power nx, and nx differentiation is into n. Are you okay? Are you clear? Right. So now come to that. Apply my second derivative. What is my second derivative? My second derivative is, again differentiate this. Okay. So before, so what is your dy by dx? That is a e power mx into m, and second term is n into b e power nx. Then differentiate again. That means I'm going to find out the second derivative, because look at that. The given term is given function given in d square by dx square minus of m plus n. Therefore, I need to find out my second derivative. That is important. I am going to find out my second derivative. Okay, what is my second derivative? So come to that second derivative. So this is m into a into e power mx. Okay, so this m is a constant, a is a constant, e power mx differentiation is e power mx into this mx differentiation. What is my mx differentiation? that is m alone. Okay, plus this is already n is there, n into b e power nx into n. Okay, so therefore this will becomes m into m square a e power mx plus this is n square b e power nx. This is my d square y by dx square. Okay, now substitute everything in your given equation. That means left hand side. Okay, so therefore what is this answer? This answer is m square a e power mx plus n square b e power nx. Okay, now substitute this, and this is my 1 y, and this is my dy by dx 2, and this is my d square y by dx square. Substitute all these three in your given equation. What is my given equation? My LHS is LHS of the equation. I'm going to prove that my LHS is d square y by dx square minus m plus n of dy by dx plus mn into y. Plus mn into y. This is my LHS. Okay. So now what is my d square by dx square? My d square by dx square is nothing but m square a e power mx. So therefore m square a e power mx. Okay, plus n square b e power nx minus half m plus n into dy by dx. What is my dy by dx? Look at that. My dy by dx is m a e power mx n b e power nx. Okay, so therefore this is m a e power mx plus n b e power nx. So this is my d square by dx square. Actually, this is d square by dx square, and this is my dy by dx plus mn into y. Okay, my y is nothing but, look at that, my y is a e power mx plus b e power nx. So therefore my a is a e power mx plus b e power nx. Now simplify this. What is the answer you are getting? So this is the first term is nothing but a e power mx. My second term is n square b e power nx. So now multiply this m with minus sign, minus m into this minus m square a e power mx. I'm just multiplying with this minus and m. Okay, to this term and this term also. Multiply this m to the second term also. Therefore, this is also minus mn. This is minus m, and here n is there, minus mn. Okay, e power nx. Okay, and similarly multiply these two terms. So here also minus is common, minus n into this. So therefore minus n m a e power, here m n b e power nx, and this is multiply these two, what happened? So therefore this is minus n m a e power mx. Okay, so and minus of minus n into this n. So therefore minus n square b e power nx. And here this is mn into a e power mx plus mn into b e power nx. Please try to understand what I am doing. I am just multiplying this m plus n inside with the minus sign and multiply this mn inside. These two terms, for these two terms mn is common, multiply. Okay, so now look at that. So here I have a m square a e power mx. Here I have minus m square a e power mx. So this is in plus, this is in minus. I will get cancelled. These two terms get cancelled. Look at that. This one n square b e power nx. Okay, here also n square b e power nx. This is in plus. This is in minus. These two get cancelled. Okay, so now look at that. Here mn b e power nx. Here also mn b e power nx. This is in plus, this is in minus. These two get cancelled. And here this is also mn minus mn a e power mx. This is plus mn a e power mx. Everything cancel. I will get the answer is 0. This is my RHS. See the RHS? So therefore you just find your dy by dx, d square by dx square, and apply in the left hand side. Okay, and simplify you will get the right answer 0. Are you clear? Are you okay? Any doubts? Yes. Shall we move to the next? Come to the next problem. Any doubts? If you have any doubt, you please ask your doubt. Good afternoon, everyone. Ask your doubts. Vimal, what is your doubt? How many times we can derive in maxa? Vimal, what is your doubt? You please ask your doubt clearly. How many times we can derive in max means? Okay, you please, if you have any doubt, you please ask your doubt, Vimal. Okay, so now look at the next question. So look at that, Vimal. Look at that. So look at the question. Here I need dy by dx method. Mirror, Vimal. Here I need dy by dx. I need d square y by dx square. Okay, so therefore first find dy by dx and secondly find d square by dx square. If possible, you simplify this right hand side. Here also, if possible, you simplify the right hand side and then apply everything and simplify. So all other terms after simplification, I will get 0 right hand side answer. For this type of problem, sometimes sin inverse, cos inverse, cot inverse functions involving, we can easily directly find equation. Okay, without applying in LHS, the derivation itself gives the answer. Okay. Yesterday we discussed some problem. E power cos inverse of x, tan inverse of x, the whole square. Okay, everything. Okay, so now look at this problem. So look at this. If y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, okay, then prove that d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Okay, here Vimal, look at that. Here there is no dy by dx. In this equation, there is no dy by dx, but we need d square by dx square. What is d square by dx square? The second derivative of the y function. Okay, that means you have to differentiate the first derivative. First of all, find dy by dx and then differentiate this again, then we'll get it as d square y by dx square. So therefore, now look at that, my y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Okay, so what is my dy by dx? My dy by dx is nothing but 5 into, what is my cos x differentiation? Minus sin x minus my, what is my sin x differentiation? That is cos x. So therefore, this becomes minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Are you clear? Right. So I don't want dy by dx, but I want d square by dx square. But for d square by dx square, we need dy by dx. You differentiate this function again. You differentiate this dy by dx again with respect to x. That is my d square by dx square. So that means differentiate again. This is minus 5. What is my sin x differentiation? Minus cos. Minus already there, only cos. Sin differentiation is cos minus, okay. So this is 3 into, what is my cos x differentiation? Minus sin x. So therefore, this is nothing but minus 5 cos x. This is minus into minus plus 3 sin x. Okay, take minus commonly. Taking minus commonly, what is the answer? This is 5 cos x minus 5 cos x minus this is 3 sin x. Are you okay? What is my 5 cos x? Look at that. What is my 5 cos x minus 3 sin x? This is nothing but y. My 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is nothing but y. Minus is there. So left hand side, what is there? I have d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5. So therefore, what is that? My d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Are you okay? So this is the answer. D square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Are you clear? Are you okay? Any doubt? Yeah, very good. So look at that. The another problem, if y is equal to cos inverse of x, then find the d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Question number 12. Next problem, question number 12. If y is equal to cos inverse of x, then find d square y by dx square, okay, in terms of y alone. So look at that. Here y is equal to cos inverse of x. We can easily find out my dy by dx. Okay, because my cos inverse, I know my what is cos inverse of x definition? Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. I can easily find out my d square y by dx square. What is my d square y by dx square? So I can apply u by v formula, or I can bring it to the numerator and I can easily find out my d square y by dx square. That's all. Problem over. My d square y by dx square. But look at that. What is that? Find d square by dx square in terms of y alone. But here I am differentiating this function. I will get function of x, not function of y. If I am differentiating directly, finding dy by dx, finding d square by dx square as usual, I will get the d square by dx square. That is correct. So why sir here they are asking something, here we are finding something, both are wrong. So no, both are correct. This is d square by dx square in terms of f of x, but they are asking d square by dx square in terms of y, in terms of variable y. So that is also correct, this is also correct. But how to derive that answer? In terms of y. So please look at that. This is given. Y is equal to cos inverse of x. Okay, you bring this cos in. This cos inverse becomes here. What is the answer? It will become cos. Okay, cos y is equal to x. Okay, so this cos inverse becomes here. It is cos y is equal to x. Are you clear? That means my x is equal to cos y. Now differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. What is the answer? I am getting dx by dy equal to my cos y differentiation is minus sin y. Are you okay? Are you clear? Right. So, but look at the question. What is my question? My question is second derivative. Second derivative also d square y by dx square. Suppose I am differentiating again this, what happened? I will get d square y by dx square. Okay, sir, your dy by dx is equal to 1 by dx by dy. That is a reciprocal. Like that, we can write like this, sir. D square y by dx square is equal to d square x by dx square? No. Please don't write that. This is not. Okay, so that means you don't write like this. So I can write like that, sir. D square x by dx square, dy square. No, this is not a correct one. This is correct. Please try to understand. This is correct, but this is not a correct one. Okay, so then what to do? So we have a separate formula for that. D square by dx square is equal to, in terms of d square x by dx square, we have separate formula, but we don't want to go for that formula. Then what to do, sir? So I'm going to change this. Yeah, I'm going to use the first formula. My dy by dx is, I'm going to use this result. My dy by dx is nothing but 1 divided by dx by dy. Okay, so 1 divided by, my dx by dy is minus sin y. So therefore minus sin y. Are you clear? Are you understand why I am finding dy by dx? Because I need d square y by dx square only. So if you get the dy by dx, then only I can easily find out my dy by dx. Are you okay? Are you clear? Shall we move to the next? So therefore my dy by dx is, okay, minus 1 by sin y. Sin by 1 by sin is nothing but cosecant. This is my dy by dx. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to yes. Why I am differentiating here again? Look at that. The question is, look at the question. Find the d square y by dx square. Just till that I have found out only dy by dx. Differentiate again with respect to x. Then only I will get d square y by dx square. I will get d square by dx square. Okay. Then what is the differentiation of this minus cosecant y? What is the definition of minus cosecant y? Ganesh, what you are asking? What is your doubt? Answer. Okay, okay, Ganesh. I understand your problem. So this is no, Ganesh. Okay. Okay. These red boxes. Are you okay, Ganesh? You have to start from here. Your y is equal to cos inverse of x and bring it to the left hand side. This is therefore cos y is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to cos y. Differentiate with respect to y. My dx by dy is equal to minus sin y. My dy by dx is 1 by dx by dy. So my dx by dy is sin minus sin y. So therefore 1 by minus sin y. So this is minus 1 by sin y can be written as minus cosecant y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Are you okay, man? Very good. Yeah. So look at that, differentiate with respect to y. What is my cosecant x differentiation or cosecant y differentiation? My cosecant x differentiation is minus cosecant x cot x. What is my cosecant x differentiation? Minus cosecant x cot x. Already one minus is there. My formula is, look at that, my cosecant x differentiation is minus cosecant x cot x. Okay, so therefore this is minus cosecant x, actually cosecant y, because here y is there, cosecant y cot y. Okay, again you have to differentiate this y, that is dy by dx. Please try to understand. Wherever y is coming, the differentiation is into dy by dx will come. Okay, that means again function of function. I'm going to apply the chain rule. Again, I'm going to differentiating with respect to x only, but here the function is y. So then differentiate. What is my differentiation of sin x? Look at that. My differentiation of sin x is d by dx. differentiation with respect to x, sin x is cos x. But the same differentiation for sin y is, if my variable is y, so therefore I have to write as cos y into, write this y function differentiation. What is the y function differentiation? dy by dx. Are you okay? Are you clear? Like that. Here I am differentiating with respect to x, therefore I am going to differentiate this y. This y actually. So therefore into dy by dx. Okay. Right. What is your dy by dx? See that my dy by dx is minus cosecant y. So therefore the answer is, this is minus into minus plus cosecant y cot y into my dy by dx is minus cosecant y. So this is plus into minus, minus cosecant y into cosecant y, cosecant square y into cot y. Okay. So look at that, my d square y by dx square is in y alone. Look at the right hand side, we have only y function alone. There is no x function, only y function. That is the question. Look at the question, see the question, read the question. Okay. So look at the next problem. Look at the next problem. If e power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, then show that d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx the whole square. Sir, this is true for every problem, sir? No. So look at the question. The question is, if e power y into x plus 1 equal to 1, then show that d square y by dx square equal to dy by dx the whole square. We have to prove that my second derivative is equal to first derivative the whole square. Sir, this is true for all the problems, sir. No, this is not a result. For this problem, particularly this problem, this is true. Okay, this is not true for all the problems. You please try to understand. Okay, right. So now how to prove this, sir? So now look at that. This is given e power y x plus 1 equal to 1. Okay. Now differentiate this. What is the answer we are getting? Apply UV formula in the left hand side. I'm going to differentiate both the sides. Here apply UV formula. Okay, what is the answer? So I'm going to differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Apply UV formula. My u dash e power y differentiation is e power y into differentiate this y. Okay, I have already told that my e power ax differentiation is e power ax and differentiate the numerator. Differentiate the power value ax. Okay, what is the differentiation of this ax? My ax differentiation is a into 1. So therefore a alone. Similarly, here e power y differentiation is e power y and differentiate this y. So therefore this is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, into x plus 1. Okay. Right, so this is plus and my e power y into, what is this? Differentiation of this x plus 1? Differentiation of this x plus 1 is 1 only. My x differentiation is 1 and 1 differentiation is 0. Okay, as for therefore 1 only, x plus 1 differentiation only 1. Right hand side differentiation is 0. Okay, So then now look at that. I need only dy by dx. Dy by dx, here e power y into x plus 1 equal to this minus e power y. So I need only dy by dx because the question is finding dy. We have to find out dy by dx. We have to find out d square by dx square. Okay. So I need only dy by dx. Therefore, keep this term to the left hand side and keep this term to the right hand side because this is a non dy by dx term. This is a dy by dx term. So keep this first term left hand side and keep this term to the right hand side. So therefore, this is minus e power y. So now look at that. My dy by dx is nothing but minus e power y divided by e power y into x plus 1. E power y cancel. I am getting minus 1 by x plus 1. So therefore, my dy by dx is minus 1 by x plus 1. This is the left hand side answer. Right hand side dy by dx, right hand side answer. Dy by dx value. You have to take a square for this. Minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, now differentiate again. What is the answer? Differentiate again with respect to x. So this left hand side is d square y by dx square equal to, what is the differentiation of this? Any idea? How to differentiate the right hand side? How to differentiate the right hand side? Any idea? So that means this is d by dx of this minus 1 by x plus 1. So this is nothing but my d by dx of minus x plus 1 the whole power minus 1. Okay, you bring this minus to the outside. Take this minus outside. What is the differentiation of this? Apply x power n formula. This is minus 1, x plus 1, the whole power minus 1, minus 2. What is the formula? X power n formula is n into x power n minus 1. Already minus 1 is there. Another minus 1, it is minus 2. And now differentiate this. X differentiation 1, 1 differentiation 0. Only 1. Okay, so therefore, look at that. This is minus into minus plus, plus into 1, 1. So therefore, 1 by 1 plus x square or x plus 1 the whole square. See that? So this is my d square y by dx square. Are you clear about d square y by dx square? That's equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. This is my d square y by dx square. Right, now this is my second equation. Compare 1 and 2. This is true or not? This is, we are going to prove that. We are going to prove that my d square y by dx square is dy by dx the whole square. So see this. This is d square y by dx square is 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. Here my dy by dx the whole square. This is my dy by dx. What is dy by dx the whole square? Minus 1 square divided by 1 plus x the whole square. Minus 1 square becomes plus 1 and divided by 1 plus x the whole square. This is 1 plus x the whole square. So therefore we are getting from 1 and 2 my d square y by dx square is nothing but my dy by dx the whole square. Are you okay? Are you clear? Are you understand? Any doubt? Okay. Right. So we have finished our this exercise. Almost we have finished many problems in this exercise. Remaining problems you take it as a homework problems. Okay. So now exercise 5.8 is deleted portion. Okay. What happened? How do you get the second equation now? Nagarjuna, what is your doubt? Nagarjuna, what is your doubt? Second equation this is. So look at that Nagarjuna, I am again differentiating this. Okay, differentiation of this minus 1 by x plus 1. So here the denominator bring it to the numerator and then apply x power n formula. What is my x power n formula? Differentiation formula n into x power n minus 1. Okay, n into x power n minus 1. So what is my n? That is minus 1. Minus 1. This is my x plus 1. X power minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. And then differentiate this x plus 1, then the answer is 1. This minus already taken outside. So therefore this is minus into minus becomes plus. And bring this. Here 1 plus x the whole power minus 2 is there. You bring it to the denominator. If you bring it to the denominator, the power will become plus 1 plus x the whole power plus 2. Are you okay, Nagarjuna? Yes, chapter is over. Only we have to discuss about miscellaneous problems. Okay. Ganesh, what do you want? You need fourth slide. This one. Look at that. Here, this is given. Y is equal to cos inverse of x given. You bring this cos inverse to the left hand side, it will become cos. Cos inverse by become here, it is cos y. It will only cos, not inverse. Cos y is equal to x. So that is x is equal to cos y. Now differentiate with respect to y. Because here x is a function of y. So therefore I am differentiating x with respect to y. Okay, so what is the definition of x? That is dx by dy. I am differentiating with respect to y. And what is my cos y differentiation? My cos y differentiation is minus sin y. Why sir you are not writing dy by dx? Because here I am writing with respect to y alone. Y means y differentiation is 1. I have to write like that, dy by dy, not dx. Here it is 1 only. Definition of y with respect to y, it is 1 only. Okay, no need to write this. Okay, so therefore my dy by dx equal to, right, this is actually dx by dy, it's equal to minus sin y. But we know that the rule dy by dx equal to 1 by dx by dy. My dx by dy is minus sin y, take it here. But my 1 by sin can be written as cosecant. Okay, and now differentiate again with respect to x alone. Now differentiate with respect to x alone. Okay. So because this is dy by dx, this function is differentiating with respect to x first time. So again you have to differentiate with respect to x second time. So here what is cosecant x formula? Minus cosecant x cot x. This minus is already there. This is already in formula also we have minus cosecant x cot cosecant y cot y. Are you clear? So now look at that. This is minus into minus plus cosecant y cot y. What is my dy by dx? Look at that, my dy by dx. My dy by dx is minus 1 by sin y. So minus 1 by sin y is nothing but cosecant y. Minus cosecant y. So minus into minus plus cosecant square y. This is cot y. So this is the function of y alone. Look at the question. The question is find the d square by dx square in terms of y alone. In terms of y, right hand side in terms of y is there. That is the answer. Are you okay, Ganesh? Yes. Now come to that miscellaneous problems. So first example problem. Okay. So differentiate with respect to differentiate this function through root of 3x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 root of 2x square plus 4 with respect to x. Okay, how to differentiate? First of all, take this function as root of y is equal to root of 3x plus 2, okay, plus 1 by root over 2x square plus 4. Okay, so first of all, you please try to write this. What is actually root? Root means the power is half only. 3x plus 2, the whole power half. Dear students, please note that this is my exercise 5.7. These problems exercise 5.7. Your exercise 5.8 is deleted. Exercise 5.8 is deleted portion. Okay, so don't concentrate about the exercise 5.8. So come to that miscellaneous problems. Okay, right. So first of all, write this root means power is half. Here also, root means my power is half. That is 2x square plus 4, the whole power half. Okay, so therefore this will becomes, this can be written as my y is equal to 3x plus 2, the whole power half, plus, and this is 2x square plus 4, the whole power minus half. Why sir minus half? So look at that, my 2x square plus 4 power 1 by 2 is in the denominator. You bring it to the numerator, okay, it will become plus. Plus means the power is my plus 1 by 2 means it will become minus 1 by 2. Okay, now differentiate. I am going to apply my x power n formula only. What is my d by dx of x power n? My d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Apply this formula. What is the answer you are getting? That's all. Problem over. Here also apply x power n formula. Here also apply x power n formula and simplify. Your problem will be over. Are you okay? What is the differentiation? dy by dx, apply x power n formula. This is actually my n into, actually consider this is your x power n minus 1. Okay, but into, you have to differentiate this 3x plus 2. You have to differentiate this dx plus 3x plus 2. That is very important. That is called it as a chain rule. Function of function. Okay, plus. Here also, this is my n, okay, into 2x square plus 4, the whole power minus 1, n into x power n minus 1, n is minus half, n minus 1, okay, into d by dx half. This function, this x function, this is we are assuming as x. We are assuming this as x and applying x power n formula, x power n, n into x power n minus 1. But we have to differentiate this x also. That is 2x square plus 4. This is the function of function chain rule. Now simplify, that's all. What is the answer here? We are getting 1 by 2, 3x plus 2. Okay, what is half minus 1? That is minus half. Okay, this is differentiation of 3x plus 2. It is only 3. X differentiation is 1, constant is differentiation 0. So constant coming in multiplying with some variable means we have to keep the constants. Constant alone one term is coming means the differentiation of the constant term is 0. Okay. Yeah. This is into 3 alone. Why? The differentiation of my 3x plus 2 is 3 alone. My x differentiation is 1. Okay, 1 into 3, 3. This is 0. So therefore 3 alone. This is minus 1 by 2. This plus into minus minus 1 by 2. This is 2x square plus 4. Minus half minus 1. This is minus 3 by 2. And differentiation of this term. What is my differentiation of this term? This is actually 2x square plus 4. 2x square. X square definition is 2x into 2 is there. Therefore 4x plus 4 definition is 0. Only 4x. So therefore now simplify. I am getting this is the numerator is 3 alone. Denominator is through 2 into this is 3x plus 2 the whole power 1 by 2. Here the power is minus half. Okay, here the power is minus half. Please bring it to the denominator. The power will become plus half. Okay, this 3 is already taken by 2 is there. So therefore now come to this 1 by 2. Okay, what is this? This is actually 4x into 4x into you bring this term also denominator because my power is minus. So therefore 2x square plus 4 the whole power 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. The power will become in the denominator. Already my power is minus 3 by 2 is there. If you bring it to the denominator, it will become plus 3 by 2. So therefore, the answer is 3 divided by 2 into this power 1 by 2 means this is nothing but root 2 root x. That is 3x plus 2. This is minus. I can cancel this 2. So therefore, minus 2x in the numerator. In denominator, 2x square plus 4 the whole power 3 by 2. That's all. This is our answer. You have to differentiate the root function carefully. That is very important. Okay. If you finished means we'll go for the next one. Are you finished? So dear students, please note that tomorrow we have a test, Saturday test. Why only less number of students are there? So many students were absent today. Why? What is the reason? Only less number of students are attending the class. Why? What is the problem? What is the reason? Okay, so the tomorrow morning 10 o'clock we have a test in determinants. Properties of determinants not in our syllabus, that is deleted. Therefore, we are not included in tomorrow test also. Only 25 questions. The last time some students are feeling 30 questions. The time is not sufficient for 30 questions. Therefore, we have reduced to 5 questions this time. Okay, so therefore only 25 questions. All are simple questions only, NCERT based level questions only. So you please try that. Try to get full marks. Try to get at least decent marks, 80%, 90%. Okay. Right. So now come to that next one. So differentiate. So differentiate log of base 7 log x with respect to x. Okay, please try to understand. And in our differential calculus and integral calculus, Your log of x means log base e. This is understood one. Log x in differential, particularly in differential and integral calculus. Okay, your log x means your base is e. Base is a this is a natural logarithm. Okay, base is e. Okay, this can be written as ln x. If my base is e, we can written as ln x. Okay, right. Now look at that. Here my log x. Okay, so in our differential calculus and integral calculus, wherever we are writing log x means log base e is the meaning. Okay, so look at that. My differentiation of log x. What is my differentiation of log x? That is 1 by x. This is nothing but my differentiation of log base ex. Okay, this is nothing but differentiation of ln x. Okay, so this is 1 by x. Please try to understand. Are you clear? Are you understand? Okay, so now come to that. If the log base e is given, okay, we can differentiate. But here there is no log base e. It is 7 is there. Okay, sir, can I consider what is log 5? My log 5 is constant. The differentiation is 0. Okay, because here there is no variable. Log x only, this is 1 by x. Log 5 is a constant number. Okay, so therefore it is 0. But here my base is e, but here my base is 7. So therefore you can't apply the different derivative formula log x is equal to 1 by log x. Please try to understand. Don't apply. If you are writing this like this, that is a wrong one. And log base 7 of log x. Sir, I am considering this is my x, sir, 1 by log x. I am considering this is x, log x definition is 1 by x, and the definition of log x is another 1 by x. Okay, so therefore this is not correct, this is not true. Don't write like this. Why, sir? Everything is the base 7. So then what to do, sir? Can I take it as this is a constant function? No, because look at that. Here it is e is there. Nothing is there means that is e. So if the base is not given means, particularly in differential calculus and integral calculus, my base is e alone. This is understood. If base is not given, if log x base is not given, then consider that as natural logarithm. E, base is e. So then what we have to do, sir? What I am going to do? So I am going to use some formula, change of base formula. In logarithm, we have one formula, change of base formula. I'm going to apply that formula. Change of base formula. What is change of base, sir? So look at that, my log of a of b is equal to my log base c of b divided by my log base c of a. Here log base a of b is given means you have to introduce some other base log c. Base is c. Okay. Right, log base c of b, this one, and similarly log base c of this one. Okay, so therefore now look at that. This is a change of base formula. Please note this. What is my y? Look at my y. This is my function log base 7 of log e of x. E is understood. Okay, so this is, I'm going to write it as, I'm going to take it as, this is my a. Look at that, this is my a and this is my b. This is entirely b. So therefore this is, I'm going to write it as log base e. I'm going to introduce my c as e. Here the new number c is introducing. I'm going to that, taking that my base is e, log base e of this log x, okay, divided by, and look at that, log base e of this b, log base e of this one. So therefore log base e of 7. So this is nothing but log of log x by log 7. Please try to understand. Here I am not writing any base, therefore my base is e. Here I am not writing any base, therefore my base is e. Everything my base is e only. Okay, so I am applying the change of base formula. Please try to understand my change of base formula. Are you clear? Are you understand? Right. So now differentiate this here. My log 7 is a constant. Differentiate this alone. So therefore, my dy by dx is my 1 by log base e of 7 is constant. Okay. What is the differentiation of log x? My log x is 1 by log x differentiation. Okay. Into my log x differentiation is 1 by x. Look at that. This is actually log of log x, log x. Now you can consider this is as x because my base is e. Base is e. Nothing is given means we have to consider my base is e. So therefore, my log of log x. This is considered as x. Therefore, 1 by log x into 1 by x. Okay. So therefore, my answer is 1 by log base 7, log base e of 7, log base x, log base e of x, and into x. So this is your answer. Differentiation. Are you okay? Are you clear? Any doubt? Ganesh, we know that mean WKT means we know that. So this means we know that. Okay, so look at that. In my differential calculus and integral calculus, my log x means base is e. Here base is not given means that is the meaning my base is e. What is e? E is an irrational number. Okay, 2.761. That value, right? How to find out that value? That is we have already discussed 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial. Okay, 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial and etc. This sum goes up to infinity. This total sum value becomes 2.761. Okay, this sum, this series sum is called as our E. That is 2.761 approximately. Okay, so if you fix this base is 2.761 and form the logarithmic function. So that is called as ln function or log base E of x or simply log x. Okay, so here my differentiation of log x, differentiation of log base E of x, differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. This is the formula. If my base other than E is given, only 7 is given, 10 is given, so it is, we don't have any formula for that. Okay, so that, but here it is 7 is there, but here it is E is there. So then what to do, sir? I'm going to apply the change of base formula. This is my change of base formula. Okay, this is my given function. I am taking this is my A, this is my B. Applying formula, log of some, I have to introduce C, C is E, log base E of this log base E of x, log base E of this 7. This is constant. Differentiate this alone. This is nothing but log of log x. Differentiation 1 by log x into log x definition is 1 by x. That's all. Into this is constant. Constant is there. So therefore, this is our answer. Are you clear? Are you understand? Any doubt? Dear student, any doubts? So we will discuss some more problems in our miscellaneous in our tomorrow class. So most probably within 1 or 2 periods, we will finish this chapter and we will go to the next chapter. Sixth chapter, applications of derivatives. Okay. So please try to understand. Tomorrow we have a test in determinants. 25 questions. Okay. We have a negative marks also. Please concentrate your negative marks also. Okay. Right. So please write your test sincerely, all of you. Right, within 1 or 2 periods, we will finish our class. We will finish our chapter 5. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Please work out the homework problems, upload the homework problems. Yeah, we will do it. Raksha Agilan, we will do it. We will do some extra problems. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.